Morgan, and today we are going to be making this beautiful Pointillism lilac picture. Alright, let me go show you the supplies you'll need. You will need a white heavy stock piece of paper, purple, green, and white paint, a paintbrush, Q-tips, and a plate. The first step is to grab your green paint and put some down on the plate. Grab your paintbrush and begin to make leaves and stems. Time to start making the lilacs. Grab your purple paint and put it on the plate. Dab the Q-tip in the paint and then dab it on the page. Now while that dries for a few minutes, I'm going to take my adorable little dog Archie for a walk. Now mix together some white paint with the purple. Now use a Q-tip to dab the light purple onto one of the sides of the lilac. this looks. You guys did such a great job. Thank you so much for watching. This is now the end of this video. Bye! Please take a picture of your finished project and send it to the art gallery's email, art@kawarthagallery.com. Be sure to include your first name, age, and title of the project. The art gallery is going to post photos of your art on the website and social media so you can see your art posted online.